A wonderful summer. Last summer, my family and I went on a special vacation to the beach for 1 whole week. We packed our clothes, swimsuits, and snacks and drove for 3 hours to get there. The weather was sunny every day, and the sky was always clear and blue. We stayed in a small house near the sea, and we could hear the waves from our window. Every morning, we ate breakfast together and planned something fun to do. It was the perfect way to start the summer holiday with my family. Each day, we went to the beach early and played in the water for many hours. My brother and I built big sand castles and collected pretty seashells near the shore. My parents relaxed under an umbrella while reading books or listening to music. We also went for long walks along the beach and saw many beautiful birds. Sometimes we ate ice cream and watched the sunset from the sand. Those quiet, happy moments made me feel peaceful and full of joy. One day, we took a boat trip to visit a small island near the beach. We wore life jackets and saw colorful fish swimming in the clear water. The boat ride was exciting, and we all laughed and took many pictures. On the island, we had a picnic and explored the rocks and trees. I found a shiny stone and gave it to my mom as a souvenir. That day was one of the most fun and unforgettable experiences of the summer. When the week ended, we packed our things and said goodbye to the beach. Even though I felt sad to leave, I was happy for all the great memories. I wrote everything in my notebook so I can always remember the trip. Back at home, I told my friends all about the adventures we had. That summer taught me how special family time can be when we enjoy it together. I will always remember that wonderful summer as one of the best in my life.